Thank you very much for your contribution to this study. I have a few questions for you. Hello, may I ask your name, please?
Oh yes, I'm Charlotte.
Could you please tell me your weight?
I weigh 110 pounds.
And how old are you?
I'm around 32.
Do you usually go to the gym?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Thank you. Next one, please. Hi, may I ask your name?
Yes, my name is Noah.
How much do you weigh, Noah?
I weigh around 200 pounds.
And how old are you?
I'm 9.
Do you usually go to the gym?
I'd rather not to answer.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for coming. Next one, please. Thank you, everybody. Hi, this is Farzan. I've gathered data on people's name, weight, age, and gym attendance. Now, I can export it as a CSV file and read it as a pandas data frame.